So you're going to have valley experiences, but you cannot remain in the valley. The valley is not a place for you to stay. It is a place for you to pass through. Hey Empower We family, this is Tracy P and I'm back with another video, of course, to do what? Empower you, empower me, empower we. Firstly, I want to say thanks to all those who have been liking, subscribing, sharing, and interacting with me in the comment section. I want to say thank you so much. You are my motivation. You are my empowerment. Now, this week's video is going to be just a talking to you, and this is what is on my heart. And so this is what is on my heart to do, and that's what I'm going to do for today. All right, so what is it that I want to talk about today? I want to talk to the persons who it is coming to the holiday season and you feel unaccomplished, you feel sad, you feel downhearted because of varying reasons. You're wondering what is this all, what are people talking about when they say Merry Christmas? You're not even seeing the Merry. Now I want to say to you, whatever is happening to you, you may not be feeling the festivity spirit, that's okay. If it is that COVID-19 has robbed you of your family, that is okay. If it is that you're suffering from the death of a loved one and you're not feeling it right now, you don't want to feel as if there's any festivity, that's okay. If it is that one of your dreams is shattered and you don't have the time to feel happy and merry now, it's okay. Firstly, I want you to know that the seasons of the year do not have to dictate the seasons of your life, because the seasons of your life, they do not always coincide with the seasons of the calendar year. That is number one. So not because it's saying Merry Christmas and that, you don't have to be there. It's okay not to be there. And secondly, I want you to know that you have a right to feeling sad. You have a right to experiencing different emotions. That is quite okay too. What is not okay is for you to be in that down place, that valley, for a prolonged period. So you're going to have valley experiences, but you cannot remain in the valley. The valley is not a place for you to stay. It is a place for you to pass through. So what I'm saying to you, take your time and go through your valley, but always know that the valley is not meant to be a destination. The valley is meant to be a detour route, or it is meant to be a route that it bypasses something, but not a destination. So as we come to the Christmas season, Empower We, you will not be seeing another video before Christmas. So for those who are there, for those who are celebrating, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I want to say to you, be safe. Be safe and find time, even amidst the pandemic, to spend time with family. And for those who are not there, I wish that peace will find you soon. I am praying for you. I'm praying for you to get through the valley and come out on the other side okay. And I want to say to you too, have a happy season. Have a happy, as much as you can make it, peaceful season. It's Tracy P, and I say bye for now from Empower We, and let me know how you're feeling in the comment section.
Bye everyone!